Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of RV Tips and Trips. Today we are going to do a video on things to do while in Hershey, Pennsylvania. It's not just chocolate. Okay, what sweeter ride than a Hershey Kiss ride. Nice. Alright, so this is Chocolate World. And they got all sorts of stuff in here. Candy, clothes, games, everything branded Hershey.
I don't have a bathtub, but how cute is
Jolly
that?
Rancher, what, pillows?
It's a pillow. Feel how soft it is. Thomas would like that. He could sleep on
Okay, let's do the chocolate tour. Yeah, when we come back from the chocolate tour. All right, looks like we came at not too bad of a time because this thing kind of wraps around and doesn't seem to be a really long line. So we lucked out. Well, today's Wednesday, middle of the week. Bet you anything, come the weekend, it would be really busy. All right. So this used to be a walking tour years ago of the little factory, and they stopped all that. Well, they shut down the factories in 2012. So this is now a ride. All right, so the ride takes you through a mock-up of the chocolate factory. They don't make the chocolate in Hershey anymore. They make it elsewhere. So they stopped the factory, I guess was in 2012. But takes you through all the different processes to make chocolate. And it's a nice ride. And it's informative and entertaining, so it's definitely worthwhile doing the ride. It's free, so can't beat that. But yeah, it was nice, educational. The chocolate is not cheap, but boy, just about every kind of chocolate you can imagine. Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, my favorite. It's like going grocery shopping. They got shopping carts, just in case you can't carry it all in your hands. They have Hershey clothes.
Isn't this cute?
You can wear your Hershey's. All right, look at this. A Hershey's cornhole game. Portable. I mean, this doesn't take up much room and it's super lightweight.
Feel it.
Yeah, that's soft. How about a Twizzler's pillow? Or you can have Reese's.
I like that brown. I like the Hershey.
Little Hershey. Oh, look. Kisses. All right, we got shopping carts. This way, load her up with candy. Oh, people really probably think I'm weird walking around with a camera talking to myself, but I think they want you to buy some stuff, boy. There's 2 levels to the shopping cart. Look at this crazy line hay.
Oh.
Oh, the end of the line is back there. Holy cow.
Get some Hershey milk?
You need more stuff in that cart.
Did you doing the right thing, all right?
So we didn't fill our shopping cart, but we got stuff. We even got a cornhole game. Look at that. Hershey's cornhole.
You picked up one that doesn't have the thing on it.
Hershey's Chocolate Town. Well, we did the Hershey unwrap. So if you're an adult and don't have any kids with you, then don't do it. And then you got Hershey street lights up. Look. Oh, that's a restaurant. And then that is the entrance to Hershey Park.
So what?
There's the concert. There's going to be a concert. Look. So there's going to be some kind of concert going on over there. All right, so if you want to save yourself some money, then I would buy my tickets for Hershey Park at hersheypark.com. You get some really good discounts there, and it's nice senior discounts as well. Look at this kettle corn, $10.50.
Let's hope that's a pretty big, huge ass bucket.
No. Oh, look, Christmas. Did you want to go look? Sure.
Yeah, let's just check it all out. Wow, look at the lines for that.
Yeah. Woo. Christmas in August. Yeah. There's Mr. Hershey.
It looks like a chocolate bar.
Looks, huh? Yeah. Huh. The kiddie rides are scattered throughout the park. They're not concentrated in one area. That's a kiddie ride there. The carousel used to be in here. They moved it up front and they left this behind. I do have to tell you that food is very expensive in this park. So you can buy pre-buy your meals online at hersheypark.com and save some money there. But I looked at that and didn't think we would eat that much food to warrant buying or prepaying for our food. Now you see roller coasters all over the place. There are 12 roller coasters in this park. Where does it go? Is that about as high as it goes?
Yeah, it doesn't go any higher than
So we're on the sky view. I need to focus on those people. So we got to hear a fight. Are you afraid?
Yes. Yes.
We're going like hundreds of feet up in the air.
So the sky view is pretty slow, and it really doesn't go very far. It goes over the 1 or 2 roller coaster tracks over here, over the creek, and then it comes on back. So relatively long way. The lines in general throughout the park are pretty long. I think our average wait was 45 minutes to an hour. So not as bad as Disneyland, but getting there. They do sell fast passes, but boy, they outrageously expensive. You'd have to double the amount of money that you spent, or triple the amount of money that you spent on tickets for the fast pass. Crazy. And of course, what a park wouldn't be without a log flume. I love log flumes. And this one goes through rather quickly, but it was fun.
Be prepared for a sudden slowdown. Here we go.
Did you get wet?
Yes, of course I got wet. You didn't? I hurt my knee. Yeah. And my balls. Oh, nice. Alright. So this roller coaster is the Comet.
It's an all wooden roller coaster. Now this is the Comet roller coaster. It was built around 1940. You'll find a number of these scattered around the country. I've ridden in one just like it called the Cyclone in Denver, Colorado. And it's a lot of fun. I love it. The cars are in great shape. They've all been renovated. It's a great ride. Love it. Absolutely love it. It's a little bumpy. It's not as smooth as a lot of these new roller coasters, but it's still a lot of fun.
Okay. Reese's.
What is this?
So this is the Confusion ride. So you sit in the car and you shoot at targets like Buzz Lightyear at Disney World. All right. Well, that was a fun day. Yeah. Right. Hershey's Chocolate Town. So we had a fun day at Hershey Park. Boy, it's not like what it was years ago. I was here 45 years ago and it was nothing like this. This has totally changed from a little park to this giant sized park. But hey, we scored ourselves free parking today. Normally it's $20, but we went into the Hershey, what was that, the Hershey chocolate tour, Yeah, we went into that parking, and then I asked one of the attendants, hey, we're going to the Hershey Park, so what can we do? She said, today your parking is free because you're already here. So I was like, oh wow. So we saved 20 bucks. Otherwise parking here is normally $20. Go to the Hershey Museum. There's a parking garage in the back of the building, and it's free.
The Hershey Museum is dedicated to the life of Mr. Hershey and his wife and how they got the business off the ground. It was a very informative place. There was a charge. It was about $12 for seniors. Not too bad. Boy, I tell you, Mr. Hershey was a very generous man. He gave away his fortune twice. He set up a school for orphan boys, and all the profits from Hershey goes to supporting that school. He's set up a foundation so it will go on and on forever. So, really magnificent man. So you should definitely go to the museum and check it out and learn about his life.
Oh, there's the H. You get one of these things. You personalize it downstairs by going to a kiosk before you come to the museum. And then you put your thing there and it says, welcome, Sid.
While Milton was courting Kitty Sweeney, she moved to New York City and took a job selling ribbons at Altman's department store. A year later, however, Kitty traded the ribbon counter at Altman's for a wedding in the rectory of St. Patrick's Cathedral and said, I do. Milton, I do too.
Noisy. It was promoted as a health food. Yeah. It's a nourishing food. Yes. We just did that one.
It is his signature. I'm trying to look at the date. What does it say?
December 18,
1911, and it sunk April 12th, so he had booked his passage and then had to cancel it. That's cool.
All right. And if you're fortunate enough to be here in about mid-September, each year they have a very large RV show. They call it the largest RV show in the country. We came here a little bit too early, so we missed the big RV show. No sense in torturing ourselves anyway looking at the new ones, because what we got now is it. So, all right, that about wraps it up for today. So until next time, happy camping. Bye now.
Thomas says thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Until next time, happy camping.